Hi, I'm Karen Murphy. I'm an interior designer with Battle Renovations, and I'm here today with Chris Beatty, and we are going to build a rolling door that's going to be installed into a remodeled basement that we did. But we'd like to go over how we're going to build the door and all the elements that are going to go into it.
Okay. Well, basically, we got the measurements of the door
Okay.
from the cased opening that we're going to cover. Built a frame out of just regular whitewood, 1x6 whitewood. Covered it with a Luan plywood just to strengthen it, give it some real strength, and then trimmed it out with an MDF board that paints. This paints real well. This will paint up, just like a finish trim type application. We'll trim.
Okay.
And then we're going to flip it here in just a second, and
Okay.
we're going to put the Luan on the other side. We're going to trim it out with a reclaimed wood, a barn type wood, and then we're going to put this little stuff y'all purchased over there to put in the middle of it to give it some character.
Yeah, we're going to make it kind of look old and new together.
But it'll look old and new and modern and old.
Yeah, and what's really cool is this door is then going to be mounted on a system similar to a barn door, a rolling kind of a metal system.
That's right.
And it's really going to be really an architectural piece in the room as well as functional. So do we want to go ahead and flip it and look at the materials we're
using?
using?
This side's pretty much done.
Okay,
just,
great.
Sanding and puttying a little bit, and it'll be ready to go.
Okay, well, good deal. Let's flip it over and let's get to the good stuff.
All right. Good.
Good so far. Wow.
You okay?
Yeah, great.
Spacers in here, which I'm calling a piece of the wood similar to this.
Okay.
So we're going to utilize all the wood we can. Since this side's going to be completely covered up, I don't have to cut it in the middle to cover that up. So we're just going to lay a full piece on there. We're going to put some spacers in there, so we'll have something there.
Okay.
This is the reclaimed wood we're talking about. It's just an old piece of barn wood.
Okay.
It's not.
Where did this come from?
I'm not sure. I think we found this up a mill up in North Georgia somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's not cut to thickness like a piece of trim wood would be, or a piece of board like that would be. It's a little bit thicker. It's got a rough finish. It's just got the solid finish. It hadn't been planed down. That's what pretty much qualifies it for.
Yeah, and that's what we want today. We're going for that reclaimed kind of rustic look, and that's going to be our frame.
That'll be the frame. And it's it's about 11 3/8 wide. What we're going to do is run it through the table saw, cut it at equal widths.
Okay.
And it'll frame out basically what you see there again.
Awesome. That is going to look really good.
Yeah.
Can you go ahead and cut it? So we're going to build the frame out of the reclaimed wood, and then, Chris, what is the product that we're going to put here in the center?
It's I think they use this in sealing applications like that.
Wow. Yeah, very neat. Kind of resembles stainless steel or something. Galvanized steel?
It does.
But it's plastic. Would you say
It
it's
is
a plastic?
Yeah, it just cuts with a...
Really light and should be real easy to apply.
Yeah. And what we'll do is once we get the luan on this side. And the reason I put glue on this side, so you won't have any movement once we put it on.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
the reason I put glue
Nice and
on both.
tight,
Yeah,
mhm.
tight. Originally, for weight, I was not gonna do that. I laid that up there, it's just too thin.
So we're
We'll
gonna,
put that luan in there and then on both sides.
so there'll be a piece of luan here.
That's right.
Then you'll apply this material right on top.
That's right.
Then you'll build the frame right on top of this along with a strip down the middle, exactly to reflect the other side. Very, very nice. Very neat.
Yeah.
Very good. And how long do you think this whole project will take?
You know, from start to finish, I'll probably have 4 or 5 hours.
Okay, great. When will we be ready to install?
Probably the next few days.
Okay.
Just-
Here.
'cause
Well,
it
that
was-
sounds great, Chris. I
Yeah.
cannot wait to see the final product.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.